In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. Today, we'll walk through how to adjust the opacity of an image in a Google Docs document so your layout looks polished and readable. Start by opening your document in Google Docs and make sure the image you want to work with is already on the page. Click the image once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the resizing handles around the edges and a small toolbar appears beneath or above the image. Selecting the image is important because the controls you need only show up when an image is active. With the image selected, look for Image Options. You might see it on the floating toolbar, or you can find it in the Format menu at the top of your screen. Click Image Options to open a panel on the right side of your document. This panel contains all the fine-tuning tools for images. Inside that panel, choose Adjustments. This section is where you can refine how the image appears without leaving your document. You'll see sliders for transparency, brightness, and contrast. For controlling how see-through the image is, we'll use the transparency slider, which effectively changes the image's opacity. Drag the transparency slider to the right to make the image more transparent, allowing the text behind or around it to stand out. Drag it to the left to make the image more solid. As you move the slider, the document updates in real time so you can stop exactly where it looks right. For a subtle watermark effect behind text, many people land somewhere around the middle. If your text still feels hard to read, consider a bit more transparency, or slightly lower the brightness so the lighter areas don't compete with your words. If your panel labels read transparency instead of opacity, that's the same control. You can pair small transparency changes with a touch of contrast to keep edges crisp even when the image is lighter. And remember, you can undo at any time with the standard keyboard shortcut if you want to revert a tweak quickly. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're essentially done. Click anywhere outside the panel to keep working, or leave the panel open if you want to make additional tweaks later. If you change your mind, you can return to adjustments at any time and slide transparency back to 0 to restore the original opacity. Keep in mind that what you see on screen is usually very close to how it will print, but very faint images may look even lighter on paper. If you're using an image in a header or as a background accent in a sidebar, a lighter setting prevents distraction and helps with readability. That's the full process for adjusting image opacity in Google Docs. Follow these steps whenever you need a cleaner, more readable page with images that complement your text rather than overwhelm it.